Stay the hell away from me.
Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video of mine. This is part 5 of the CSEC Technical Drawing Multiple Choice Questions, and let's get right into it. Alright, so the first question says a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. It is called a trapezoid or trapezium, okay? So trapezoid or trapezium. Number 2, which of the following instruments is used to draw horizontal lines when using a drawing board? And that would be a T-square, okay? A T-square is used to draw horizontal lines. That's C. Number 3, if the length of a line on a drawing is 25 millimeters and the scale ratio is 1 to 10, then the actual length is, so 1 to 10 means that the actual image is 10 times the size, okay? So if you want to reduce it to 1/10 of the size, then you have to divide the actual drawing, which is the 25 millimeters, by 10, and by doing that you would get 2.5. Okay, number 3, in the diagram above, a, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. What is the size of angle X? And angle X would be always 60 degrees, okay? And that's only for a hexagon, a six-sided polygon, okay? When designing a new product, which type of drawing is usually made first? Before you make anything, you want to sketch a drawing of the object that you're making, so B, okay? Construction lines must be drawn lightly before you use your object line or your finish lines, which should be dark, okay? Which of the following can be found if given the major and minor axis? And that would give you your focal point, okay? So if you want to make an ellipse and you want to find your focal points, you need to find the major and the minor axis, okay? Which of the following instruments is used to draw irregular curves? We went through that in a previous video, so keep looking at the other videos and you would find the answer. That is called a flexi curve. Um, to draw a circle to pass through 3 given points, and I have an example on the right hand side here. Um, sorry, this is the okay, so right here, so you have 3 given points. If you want to draw the 3 given points, which is E, F, and G, you need to draw the chords, okay? So this is a chord, which is a line going to um, the two ends of the object, okay? That is a chord. So you want to construct chords E, F, and F, G in order to get you a circle around the points, okay? So the answer would be A. Alright, so thanks for watching. Quick video, and subscribe, hit the bell notification. There'll be more videos coming, okay? Alright, bye.